Hi everyone, I am Athira Raj from Access Language School. In this session, I am going to discuss the correct spelling and pronunciation of silent letter words. Before that, what are silent letter words? These are the words which has a silent letter when we pronounce it, but when we write the word, the letter is there. So let's begin with the letter B. So the first word is climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Here the letter B is silent. She climbs up the stairs. Then another word is thumb. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Do not pronounce it like thumb. Here B is silent. Next one is doubt. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Here also B is silent. Then another one is subtle. S-U-B-T-L-E, subtle. Here the letter B is silent. Then next letter we are going to discuss is D. So the first word is handkerchief. H-A-N-D. This D is silent there. So we have to pronounce it like handkerchief. So D should be silent there. The next one is sandwich. S-A-N-D. This D should be silent. Then the last one in the D is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. The first D should be silent when we pronounce this word. Then next letter we are going to discuss is H. So the first word is honest. H-O-N-E-S-T, honest. So the H is silent. The next word is honor. H-O-N-O-R, honor. Next is hour. H-O-U-R, hour. H should be silent. Then the next one is anger. A-N-C-H-O-R. It is anger. That means H is silent. Then the next letter we are going to discuss is G. First word is cologne. C-O-L-O-G-N-E, cologne. Here the letter G is silent. Next is campaign. C-O-M-P-A-I-G-N. This G should be silent there. Campaign. Then the next letter we are going to discuss is K. First word is knee. K-N-E-E, knee. The K is silent. Next one is knock. K-N-O-C-K, knock. First K is silent there. And the next word is knowledge. K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E. So the letter K is silent there. So I hope these silent letter words and its pronunciations will be useful for you.